Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathPractice number 69.
MathPractice number 69. Today we're going to take a look at a different version of a contest problem. So you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Marty has 5 more digs than Jen has. After he gives 8 digs to Jen, how many more digs will Jen have than Marty? You know what a dig is?
I think it's a dog combined with a pig.
A dog combined with a pig? What? I wonder what that is. You think it barks or oinks?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Okay, so Marty has 5 more digs than Jen has. After he gives 8 digs to Jen, how many more digs will Jen have than Marty? All right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How do you want to do this problem?
We can make a chart.
Okay, you want to make a chart? Go ahead. Okay, good chart.
Yep.
Yep, let's go.
So this would be M at the top, and this would be J.
Okay, so that's Marty and Jen.
Mm-hmm. So Marty has 5 more digs than Jen has, so Marty would have to start out with at least 9.
Okay.
Because he gives 8 to Jen. And Marty has 5 more digs.
Okay, so we're going to do an example where Marty starts with 9, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So 9 minus 5 is 4, so Jen has 4.
Okay, so if Marty has 9 at the beginning, then Jen has 4.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But after he gives 8 digs to Jen, how many digs will Jen have when Marty? So 9 minus 8 is 1. And 4 plus 8 is... No, 4... Yeah, 4 plus 8 is 12.
4 plus 8 is 12. So if Marty starts with 9, we know Jen has 4 because Marty has 5 more than Jen, and 9 minus 5 is...
4.
And after he gives 8 away, how many does he have left?
He has 1.
And how many does she get if she gets 8 more?
He has 12.
Okay, so how many more digs than Marty does Jen have now?
11.
11 more. Okay, now let's see if that works with a different number. So start them with a different number.
We could start them with...
Start Marty with a different number. Just pick any number.
10.
Okay, 10.
So this would be 10 and has 5 more. This would be 5.
Okay, great.
And after he gives 8 more, he'll have 2 left.
All right.
And Jen will have 5 plus 8 is 13.
Okay. So how many more does she have than Marty?
Still, it's 11.
Still, it's 11. Okay, awesome. And now do you want to see the math way of doing this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'm going to do it right here. Oh, shoot, this purple just does not erase very well, does it?
Mm-hmm. This is
Bad purple. Okay, so Marty and Jen. So let's say the math way is Marty starts with X. And how much, if Marty starts with X, how much does Jen have?
X minus 5.
X minus 5. Very good. Now Marty gives away 8. So how many does Marty have after he gives away 8?
He has X minus 8.
X minus 8. And Jen gets 8. So what is X minus 5 plus 8?
Well, minus 5 plus 8 is 3.
Very good. So this is X plus 3. So now we have to calculate the difference, the larger one. So remember to calculate how many more she had. We did 12 minus 1.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're going to do X plus 3 minus X minus 8. Okay, and this is a little bit more advanced, right? So I'm just showing it to you. Okay, so when you have a subtraction problem like this, the minus has to hit both of these expressions. So it has to touch the x and it has to touch the minus 8. So we have x plus 3 minus, what happens when the minus goes after the x?
Minus x.
Minus x. What happens when the minus goes after the minus 8?
It becomes an 8.
Plus 8. Right, minus times a minus is a plus. So I get an x minus x, which is
X minus X is
0. 0.
0.
0. And what's 3 plus 8?
11.
11. Okay, so the answer is always 11. That's pretty cool, right?
Yep.
So the way we attack a problem like this is if we don't know what to do with the math, which is fine, you can just make a chart and try some things. It looks like we always got 11. But if you do know what to do with the math, you can just do it with some x's and you can see that the answer is always
11.
11. Yay! High five. Good job. Good job. Would you mind erasing for me while I go with the video?